Look at that. Look at that oxtail dance, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Eating with Guap. Today, we got oxtails, candy yams, and garlic butter rice. It's finna go down. Let's eat. How y'all day going? I want to try the rice first. You guys. Let's try the rice first. Garlic butter rice. Y'all see that? Okay. Then we gotta go in. We gotta go into the oxtails, y'all. You see the steam coming off of that? You see the steam coming off of that? Yeah, that's straight. This look. See how this just falling? What y'all know about candy yams? It ain't even Thanksgiving yet. Hope everybody having a great day today. You ever had oxtail before? Do you like them? You gotta chase the oxtails though with the rice. I'm telling you. You gotta taste it with the rice. These candy yams are smacking. Candy yams, some might call them sweet potatoes. What y'all call them? I know up northeast, we call them candy yams, sometimes sweet potatoes, you know. But it's the same thing. But you know, everybody got a different way they call things. Got that little gravy down there. Fall off the bone. When I'm quiet like this and eating, I'm really lost for words. Wow. Really stuck the foot in this one. That's the skin coming off of them. That's how you know it's fresh off the stove. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Sticky goodness. Ooh, that's hot. I'll cool it down in my mouth. That's hot. And all this down there at the bottom mixing together. So, you know, it's like a whole bunch of, got sweet, salty, savory, all mixing in the juices. Got the rice mixing in with the ox juice, the gravy, and then you got the ox also mixing with the candy yam sweetness on this side. And when I tell y'all, it's a whole bunch of flavors going on at the bottom of this plate. Look at that. Look at that oxtail dance, y'all. Look, it's gonna fall. It just wants to fall off the bone. You see it? Is oxtails more on the Caribbean side of food? Let me know in the comments. Is oxtails more like on the Caribbean side? There you have it. Thank y'all for watching another episode of Eating with Guap. Make sure y'all drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Also, what videos you would like me to do. Because I am here for you, my subscribers. You know we family. We're now family, right? Let's go. Hey, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, I love you all.